Hi guys, welcome back to my video, okay? The game already started. Sorry. So, since we were talking about the fruit group that I'm planning on to make, right? We have two new people.
Are you not gonna post the other two videos?
I already made them, but I just need to like draw something on them, like edit them, you know?
Where are you, girl?
We're in the game. You can suspect me.
I'm not suspect you. Oh, there's only code suspect. No.
Gabriel, you're in the game.
What?
You're in the game.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you pretending? Well, I can't talk. Are you pretending to be me or something? Because like everyone's like me.
Oh.
Everyone's me right now. I just don't know. I mean, you joined the game just in time, so. Why is there a rat in here? There's a rat in here. Okay, as I was saying, guys, the fruit group that I am like the squad. I'm pretty sure it's called squad, right? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. Our squad, our new member. Well, not new member. You guys already know them, but yeah. We just made it like a group, but yeah. So.
I'm really gonna ask my mum for a microphone in the future because this is gonna be annoying if you can't hear me. I'm quiet.
It's alright.
Oh.
Cone! Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is Orange. Say hi, Orange. How do I spell Orange? Orange, get your bum hole over here. Okay. So we got the other members. Okay. So we got Ava. Turn around. Tell us what fruit you are. Tell us what fruit you are.
Hey, girl, it's Clayton, guys. And
what fruit you are? What fruit are you, guys?
I'm strawberry and I like long intros, okay?
Yeah.
I like that.
Cone is orange. Gabriel, he's what kind of fruit he is? He is
a chicken nugget.
That is
not a nugget, is it a fruit?
Gabriel, actually stop. Gabriel, stop. Like you're actually gonna annoy people.
My perfectionist already. Sorry if I pronounce something wrong. I'm dyslexic and autistic and learning disabilities. I always want that.
Gabriel, just choose a fruit.
No.
Okay, he's gonna be kicked out of the group, guys, because I have no idea what to do with him.
Oh.
He wants to be in the group, bro. I'm crying. Gabriel, do not eat fruits. Like, imagine.
I'm probably gonna stop at this game so bad.
So I will teach you how the game works. So basically, do you see any like targets? Like there's like yellow targets thing, right? You have to go up to them and like it's like a task basically. You know, Among Us, right? If you don't do the task, yeah, it's like that. You gotta do them.
Basically, you actually get to see where your target is.
Yeah. I'm running out of battery. I don't know what to do.
I've been trying my phone tonight for 2 very much, so I'm lucky.
I am not gonna say that I'm good at the game, okay? Cause last time when I said that, you guys know who shot me, bro. Last video. I'm so good at being an NPC, guys.
Definitely not gonna say that, 'cause I am horrible at this game.
Me too.
The fact that when I said, "Oh, I'm so good at this game," and then I got shot by Kirby. That was such a beautiful moment. Let's go! I'm gonna do this task. Yeah, let's go.
Why am I fast?
Cause you won. Cause you won the game. Basically.
That scared the hell out of me. I don't know.
Bro, are you thinking that you started shitting fire? You shitting fire?
Why are we getting fast in the middle of the round?
Don't ask me. No
I
way.
just turned into a cherry. Which I am.
What? A cherry?
What? I'm a cherry.
You're a cherry. You finally chose a fruit. Wait, you eat cherry. You eat cherry.
Oh, well, I do drink them.
Cherries are yummy.
They actually taste good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Finally, Gabriel can be staying in the group now because he finally found a fruit, bro. Finally.
Yeah, you just had to apply a bit of pressure.
One sheriff of 10. Guys, we're so cooked. We're so
I'm
cooked.
a sheriff.
I think you are.
Among Us.
Gabriel, be quiet.
Yeah.
You have to find the odd one, okay? You know when someone walks so weirdly, right? You have to shoot them.
Okay,
It's basically it's not my neighbor, so.
Are you in your normal avatar?
Yes.
Oh, Cone is sheriff again. Oh, that's so.
I've no longer died first for a long time.
Is Cone sheriff again? Like, what? Cone is sheriff! I swear to God, Cone is sheriff again.
Oh,
He's the 5th sheriff. Oh, he disconnected! Oh, at least he won. Bro. He disconnected. Sheriff round, by the way, like.
You know, it's not gonna be fair.
Yeah, he needs to rejoin gang. Wait, he played this game. He played this game more.
Me too.
He's tired of being sheriff. He's tired of being sheriff gang. Bro plays this game. He's so pro now. Come be quiet, bro.
Don't jinx it, bro.
Oh, by the way,
why isn't Gabriel on this call?
he is.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I didn't find it.
Okay, by the way, from now on, we're gonna call each other the fruit. So, yeah, you guys call me Lemon and stuff.
Oh, I'm gonna have to get used to be calling strawberry then.
Yeah.
Okay, Lemonade.
Okay.
Oh my god, I forgot which fruit. The only fruit I've memorized is my own and yours, I see.
Okay.
Which one's the fruit again?
Cone is orange, and then Gabriel is cherry.
Yeah, I know that, yeah. I know that it was cherry, and I know one was orange, like, got confused which one was where.
I mean, okay, I'll be honest, but I would have been called dragon fruit or peach because I actually like those fruit. No, I could have been also called what's that fruit called? Guys, you know the fruit where it's like outside is like brown and the inside is green. What's it called again? Well, you're gone. Anyway. Oh, I wanna like hit whoever. Wait, who's sheriff again? Why is Cone getting sheriff? Like at this point, like you know.
At this point, we just have to say, oh, Cody's gonna get sheriff, and we're gonna be right.
Mhm.
No way, you almost got me, bro. How do you know? Hey!
Yeah.
Let's go! He jinxed it.
Why are you calling out my name, gang? Why are you calling out my else's name?
What do you mean? I don't see that.
Is anyone gonna chat or should I leave? No.
Oh? What do you mean is anyone gonna tell am I gonna leave?
That's what Cohen said. That's what Cohen said. There's more up here. There's money. Money. There's a camp.
Says the chat, why doesn't he just join the pool?
He's not home alone. He ain't home alone.
He's not home alone. I bet that she wasn't home alone then.
He's not always home alone. Oh, this time. Wait, who's sheriff? Oh, Gabriel.
Well, at least it's not painful one.
Why is there a cone in the table?
Good question next. Hello, what are you doing? I have no idea what I'm supposed to do.
You need to do a task.
I don't know, I'm looking for my task without finding it.
Bro, why am I sleeping in the wall? I'm gonna cry.
Actually, at one of my clones.
I'm crying. Gabriel's glitching. Like, Gabriel, are you glitching or something? Because I don't feel like... Wait, am I glitching? Like, I'm just watching his back. I'm just watching him bending his back.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't think he's okay.
That made me want ice cream coffee.
Why don't we get some?
Because I don't have ice cream and I do have coffee.
Okay, let's do shopping mall, guys. Let's do shopping mall. Gabriel, be quiet, bro. You ain't Ronaldo.
Oh, I like Ronaldo.
Shush.
No.
We ain't talking about him, okay? This isn't football. We're playing NPC or die. We're not playing.
Are you sure?
We're not playing football, gang.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I do not like football.
I don't like football anyway.
Let's talk about the plan and walk up then.
I only know what's happening in football.
One criminal versus the world. One criminal. Oh, we're cooked. No. Okay. I'm sheriff, guys. Who else is sheriff?
Oh.
I think I'm sheriff. Yeah, I'm sheriff.
Oh, what the flip?
I'm so fucked.
Oh.
How do you know? I don't even know anyone is feral or not. What is that?
What is going on here? What's going on? Come here, guys. Come here. Gabriel, even you too. Come here. Look at all your clones. They're just like piled up in like over here. Come look over here.
What's that?
Why are your clones all piled up? I'm crying. I need to get rid of them. They're kind of weird. Guys, your backs are broken.
What's happening here?
We need to find a gate.
What? That's just going good and bad.
Exactly. That's what I see on everyone as well. We need to find a Gabriel.
Why is only Gabriel an NPC?
Wait, is this Ronaldo? Oh my gosh! Guys, come here! I see Ronaldo. Come here. Ronaldo's over here.
It's only
He's in there. I see a face of him. Come here. Come here. I see like a face of him over here. Do y'all see it? Okay, this is actually hard. How do we find Gabriel? I'm looking around. I'm just looking around. Like, we don't. Okay, that was not Gabriel. Oh, this is hard. Don't die, guys. Don't die. I'm gonna die soon, so don't worry.
It's funny just to look.
Where is Gabriel? Why is there so many? Oh my gosh. I don't think we can find him. Actually, like, oh, there's Chinese. There's some Chinese food. Can I order some dumplings? May I order some dumplings? I really like dumplings. Fried dumplings.
I love how we're getting distracted.
Stop.
Without.
Oh, Gabriel, you can hit us. Do you remember? You can hit us.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you hit one of us? I'm really bored. Wait, hit Cone. I'm joking. Don't. He's such a good person.
Yeah, get on things and leave.
Why is this so hard? How are you so good at being NPC? Oh.
Yeah.
We're cooked, aren't we? We're so cooked, bro.
I was only one NPC and 3 sheriffs.
Bro, this is hard. There we go. Guys, whenever like the criminal hits the sheriff, I always keep an eye on them. Like I always keep an eye on them. Yes, I knew. Yeah. I mean, it's the idea, isn't it? I was also trying to trick him into looking at the bush. Because, like, you know how I said Ronaldo's there? Like, I was trying to trick him. It's like a bait. Like, Gabriel's a fish, and then, like, I put a bait in, like, the bush. We cooking. Okay.
I fell into the, whatever it's called.
I think Cone is sheriff again.
Yeah, of course. Mama, Gabriel.
Why am I sheriff? Wow, Cone really hates being one, doesn't he?
I think he wasn't around me when I was doing my tasks. I got so scared.
I'm really scared. Is he behind me? Can anyone see him? Like, I'm just walking.
I look faster.
I'm really scared. This game is actually pretty fun.
Hope you didn't see that. I got.
Well, you are dead. Rest in peace. This game is fun, isn't it? Gabriel, I think I see you. Was that you walking down the stairs?
No.
I don't know how we can see what the.
He saw me running. He saw me running. Gabriel, you're last. You're last. You're last. You better win.
I don't like how we can only see the one who's looking for the target.
Like, I don't remember where I put my things at. So I wouldn't recommend being a sheriff. I would not recommend being a sheriff because I actually don't know.
Also, I get distracted easily.
Yeah, exactly. So I prefer being a criminal. I mean, it's just like in murder mystery. I prefer being innocent as sheriff rather than a murder.
Being murdered than sheriff, thank you very much. But I prefer being innocent overall.
Ownership. Once again.
I don't know why I'm hearing stuff. I didn't do that. Who did a task next to me? Something went alert, like right next to me. Who did that?
That was me.
Gabriel, you can see me doing a task ladder. I was right next to you. Bro, you got me caught. Wait. I have an idea of what to do. Gabriel, when I meet you in real life again, when I see you in real life again, I know what I'm doing.
Well,
Nothing. I ain't telling ya. Okay, let's just say dress to impress. But in real life. Ava, do you understand what I mean by that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gabriel, you're about to have a makeover. I can make you bald.
die, bitch.
I haven't been caught yet.
Anna. I need coffee, seriously though. I want coffee. I'm really tired.
I get shot.
Okay. By the way, when I woke up at like 12, like, holy, I was very tired. Could not see anything. My eyes were blurry. Like I could not see anything.
Why did you wake up at 12? I woke up early, but then I went back to sleep, and then I woke up just as you were spamming me, because I thought you were spamming me.
It was cold though.
I just left at my previous minutes ago.
Gabriel, get the hell out of my way! I think.
I wasn't even in the round.
Yeah, that means you were sharp. Guys, can we do moon base? It reminds me of Mel base.
We do like one day.
No, just no.
What?
The only problem I might would my phone and you're drinking, it'll catch that. Sheriff.
It seems like it's Cone. It seems like it's Cone. Cone is right next to me, I think. I can't quite see though.
I think he's walking towards you, but he's walking towards me. Fucking hell.
No!
I got shot
Already?
in the head.
Among Us.
What's that noise? I'm crying.
He shot an NPC at me. He shot another.
Oh, he only has one health.
Wow. Oh, damn.
Am I
What
cooked?
the fuck?
I was recording. You should have got a copy before the recording, love. It's right next to me. It's like,
Hey, AFK guys, you guys continue around. I'm gonna cut this video. I'm gonna cut that.
I am the sheriff anyway, so you're gonna be good.
Okay, I'm back. What did I miss?
How long did it take make that coffee, guys?
Shut up. I had to boil the water, right? I had to add ice.
I had to do that and that's almost done. The amount of time it took me longer because making little things and realised that I'm playing the game at the same time.
I forgot to say back, but I'll say it. Did Cone leave the game? I can't quite check.
Yeah.
Yeah, we spare me. We spare me.
What do you mean?
Her life in the game.
Who's dead? I can't quite.
I'm dead in the game.
Okay, so am I the only one left then?
Yes.
Have you guys ever been upstairs? Oh wait, it's not that I'm upstairs or anything like that. It's not like I'm up there. And anyway, Gabriel, I hate you so much. I hate you so much. Gabriel, I hate you so much. I just came back, bro.
I don't need no mercy.
Yeah, at least the coffee's nice.
I don't need that. Oh.
Coffee's nice. Oh my gosh, I love how there's kids outside screaming. Do you guys want some?
Oh no.
I think. I just feel record on that hotel.
Yeah, why?
Oh my
Are you
god.
going to cut it out or no? Because I think I just said my brother's name. Because I couldn't shut the door.
Yeah, sure, I'll cut it out. Don't worry.
Also, he wasn't speaking the whole time. But I did give him a warning just in case.
It's alright.
Who's sheriff anyway?
Gabriel.
I wasn't.
Gabriel.
I was too worried about my brother being put up in the video without his permission. Also name leaking, no thank you.
Oh my god.
Don't say that, because you might have just jerked. You might have just focused on probably you yourself. Wait, the water's gonna leak? Probably. You know the aquarium, right? You know some crimes, right? The water's probably gonna leak if you think about it. Because, like, that'll be... Because that's the one of the crime.
I just don't know what I was thinking about it though.
I want to check the... That's not an anglerfish, bro. I'm just checking the aquarium thing, like where next to I died, right? It says anglerfish, but when I checked the shadow of the fish, that was not an anglerfish. That was... I'm joking. It says angelfish. I tricked you guys. I don't even know what it said. Well, I'm pretty sure it said an angelfish, but yeah.
Looking for my hat.
Oh, I see her. I see. Okay. I'm not gonna report that. Yeah, Gabriel, that's not her. That's not her. Why are you following her? That's not her. Yeah.
Why are you kissing me like that? What a good friend. What a good best friend.
Gabriel, that's not her. What are you doing? Yeah, Gabriel, come on. Don't shoot. That's not her. I promise. Imagine missing.
I was not gonna shoot her. That was a warning shot, dumbass.
Totally.
When you pull me out, I see I will scream at you.
I think I see you, gang.
Shush! Shush your glove.
Gabriel, that's not her. I promise.
It's me, I promise.
No, we're not gonna shoot.
Because I couldn't do my crime because I kept on going, oh, it's her, and I got worried.
He did another warning shot again, like, gang. Oh, I think I see you. Yeah. Oh, you're cooked. Let's just say you should the task.
Yeah, but, you can't move her. Oh, it's not her, it's her.
I was trying to help you get away because I know that was not you. I was trying to get Gabriel to shoot the NPCs. I was trying to get him to shoot the NPCs so he can die because he had 1 health. He had 1 health, by the way.
You kept on scaring me.
Oh, I low-key forgot to add Gabriel in the thumbnail that I was gonna make. Oopsies. I think I'm gonna have to draw him as a cherry. I'm gonna have to draw a cherry on the floor and then I'm gonna put Gabriel's hair on there. And I said this is Gabriel, totally Gabriel.
Okay, so what the fuck?
What? You're a cherry.
Yeah, I know, but really.
Cherry blossom. Okay, no.
Oh.
Okay, guys, what fruit before the fruit that you actually chose? What fruit were you actually gonna be?
I'll say olive.
Strawberry.
Okay, I was gonna be a peach or a dragon fruit. Before I fully chose lemon because lemon.
I was gonna be my new favorite fruit, but then I heard it was taken, and then I was like, no.
Like texting the group and well, okay, I can't really put it out now. I love how some of my friends like just text me and stuff. And there's always has to be their name on there, so I'm gonna have to cover that up. Which is gonna be a long
Why I put a fake name? You can, if I'm texting on Discord, girl, you can put it there. His name isn't Jessica or Ava. And I'm not changing it to Strawberry just for your videos, you know.
Yeah, we ain't changing it to Strawberry, bro. We're just gonna call each other that, but really our name's gonna stay the same. Did you get knocked out?
I'm gonna crash out if I
Gabriel, did Gabriel hit you or something?
crash out.
Did Gabriel hit you? Cause I was planning on hitting you before you actually got hit, bro. You got hit by someone.
Because I think I had my eye on you, then I lost you.
Are you sure I was not Gabriel?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you shot me.
What?
He hit you.
Hit me.
Interesting.
Well, I was chasing you. I can't win. I went.
My coffee. Okay, guys, since we're playing this game, let's do another challenge, okay?
I was kind of getting bored, so it's good that you had a challenge.
we also have a challenge, okay? One sheriff and 10 lives. Okay. So my plan is since one sheriff is gonna have 10 lives, okay? Wait, let's see who's sheriff first. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we have to act like each other.
Each other? You don't know how each other works.
I just started the game, Gabriel. Come on. Give me mercy, bro. I'm gonna mute you, bro.
Okay.
Like, I don't even know why he's in my dad's account. I don't even know why Max is in dad's account.
Oh my god, I'm sorry and I don't like it.
Wait. I have a question. I think I know where Max is at.
Yeah, I'll target him. Who cares about Max? I'm targeting
I'm watching you from afar, by the way, and I love how you walk faster than all NPCs.
I didn't know how to speak.
Okay, good job. Oh my god. Okay, guys. Let's just say it's the end of the video. I'm gonna go. So.